Hello everyone, we are going out today. We are going out just outside of the house here on the road to get some bottle gourd. Bottle gourd? Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Yeah. Opal. Opal. We're going to make, what are we going to make?
Salted bottle gourd with sardines.
And we're going to use the hot sardines because we got some hot sardines we're going to use up. So here we are. Glad they had them. They're actually big. And this is so those are opal.
Isang ano lang, bawang.
That's the one. That's just like the one Clouden wants. Opal. Okay guys, so we are, what are we making again?
Ginisang opo. Bottle gourd. Salted bottle.
Ginisang?
Opo.
Ginisang opo.
With sardines.
With sardinas. Hot sardinas. And we have garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. You want both these tomatoes?
Yeah.
Both the tomatoes. We'll show you what we're going to do with those too. Oh, I don't know what that was. 1 small onion. Sorry, guys. 1 small onion. 1 big opal, but we're only going to use half. So, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard. That's tough. Okay, so here we go. We'll show you what we're going to do with there because I have no idea what we're doing. Can you get me a... oh, and then she's got...
What do you need?
She's got...
Avocado.
Avocado, sorry. Avocado. And by the way, the other 2 that we had the other day, I am trying to get those to sprout, and then we will be planting them. She just took these and we peeled them and put them with sugar.
Only 1?
Well, I would say let's see how much this actually makes when we cut it up and see how much it makes. Yeah. We might use 2 then. Extra hot sardines, mega sardines. How do you want that cut? Stripped?
No. Like big, like this. Slice big like that.
Okay, so I don't know how many out there does the same thing, but I have to take this like this and basically take out the best part of it. Okay. If everybody's that way, why don't you let me know, comment below and let me know if that's what you do as well and what's the belief behind it. She believes that it what does it do? Grow seeds in you? I don't know. So evidently it doesn't digest inside you. Well, a American's version of it is you just poop it out then. Just like that.
Yeah. That's it, hungry.
Just like that.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Now, everyone, you might think that this is a little bit trivial, but we go through this all the time because every dish, the tomato is cut differently.
Yeah.
So, since this is the first time making this dish, I have to obviously ask how it's cut. Will I remember again? I don't know. It depends on how good it really tastes, I think. Okay, so obviously this is how they are cut up. So it's basically eighth, not quartered, eighth. So
Half that one.
half it,
And then get rid of that seeds.
then get rid of the seeds. Yeah?
Mm. It's almost the same of the one that you peel in the province mall.
Cut in half too.
It's almost the same.
Okay, now how do you want to cut?
No.
Like this?
Mm-mm. There.
Wow, that's a big container for that. Oh, but it wasn't like this.
No, different kind. Like, I think they're siblings. They're siblings.
Shrimp. Okay, so here we go, guys. Garlic, onions, tomatoes. The what is this called again? The opal. The opal cut in cubes. We're going to have two sardines. This one here is going to be just plain sardines. So we're going to have a hot one, which this one here is extra hot. Okay, so she is going to fry it in a smaller frying pan. Well, the bigger of the two frying pans that we have, while I make rice. She is putting the onions in first.
Next is garlic.
Oh, and then you just put the tomatoes in. So we have to teach her how to talk when she's cooking. And that's how it looks right now. Cooking part of it. We will actually have the camera up above for everyone, so they can see a little bit more. You're going to put water in it, add water to it, like...
Later after I mix it.
So what is this going to do? Is this going to brown those, or is it going to just start cooking them down?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's your lid for it, if you want. Okay, so it's cooking down for a while. It's going to cook down just to soften. Are you just going to soften this up?
Then put the sardine.
Okay, soften it up, and then so we will show you in a little bit when we add the sardinas and what it looks like afterwards.
Some more sardinas.
Okay, and then now she is adding the sardinas. And we're going to cook that down probably another 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
And then we'll wait for the rice. And that's how it's looking, guys, right now. So it's getting good, yeah?
Little bit.
So another few minutes yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So there we go. It is, oops, I got some rice on the spoon, so sorry about that. But you got nice sardines, and there you go. See, we will put that over and we'll have it with rice.
Sabi mo kaya.